My name is Britt. I'm one of the registered dietitians at the UNC Wellness Center. Today we are going to make smoothies, which guarantees that I'm probably not going to burn anything, which is good. I get asked quite often about smoothie recipes to help people lose weight, and that's really not the answer. Smoothies are basically liquefied food. They don't help you lose weight any better than a regular meal would. Your body's actually designed to not necessarily feel full with liquids in your belly. As humans evolved, we would not have continued to have that drive to hunt and gather if we could fill up on water all day long. But what it does help with is increasing fruits and vegetable consumption, because you can really pack a lot of fruit and vegetables into one of these smoothies and actually improve your consumption of antioxidants and phytochemicals and all of that other goodness that we really try to advocate for. But smoothies do tend to be high calorie. So also if you need to gain weight, if you expend a lot of energy and you're an athlete, that's another reason why we would want to use a smoothie. Additionally, if you're not a fan of a specific vegetable per se, like, I don't know, kale, my kids call these leaves. So to start with a smoothie, the best thing is you need some kind of liquid to go in first. So I usually add water and Greek yogurt. Extremely high in protein. It's got some probiotics in it, some calcium. It's high in specific amino acids that I like if you're working out. I'm gonna add some blueberries to it. These are frozen blueberries, so it keeps it cold. And then I'm gonna add the kale on top of that. When you add something like kale, if you don't consume it, the smoothie right away, it tends to gel and it can be solid if you actually wait around too long. I also actually like to freeze it first because it helps sort of break up some of that really fibrous material and then thaw it and then use it. I'm gonna add a banana. Gives it a little body and some more potassium and some sweetness. You know, and if you have no problem getting fruit in your diet, or if your kids have no problem getting fruit in your diet, then maybe they don't necessarily need a smoothie. Or you can use it the way I do it to get a little extra green vegetable in their diet. So now here comes the trick. I'm gonna add a little bit of cocoa powder. Looks good. Oh yeah, that looks good. So when you combine the green of the kale with the blueberries and the cocoa powder, it gets to be like this brownish blue, gorgeous color. Very well accepted by my kids. One of their favorite snacks. That's how we smoothie in our house. That's how I recommend you smoothie in yours. You can also combine different fruits and vegetables depending on what you like. So that's our show for today. Subscribe to our channel if you want to keep watching me burn stuff or make stuff or screw stuff up.